In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the yellow triangle warning on your C drive in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here simply type chkdsk space forward slash F, chkdsk space forward slash F and hit enter. Now type Y for yes and hit enter. Then type exit, hit enter, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, you need to again elevate the command prompt to type CMD. Click on run as administrator. Now I will be pasting a command in here. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. You have manage dash BDE space your drive space dash off. Now you can replace the C drive with any of the drive that you are facing the yellow triangle error. If it is in your D drive that you're facing the error, then change C to D. Okay, and then hit enter. Now simply type exit. Again, go to the Windows C drive and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now, I'll be pasting a command in here that is manage-bds space C drive space dash off. Now, you can replace the C drive with any of the drive that you're having an error with. If it is the D drive, simply replace C with D and hit enter. Then once done, just simply close the command prompt window. Again, you need to hit enter, then simply close the window after the process is done and then restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.